Today we are learning about herbarium techniques. Herbarium is a dried plant material, dried plant specimen which is affixed to a sheet of paper. Then it is arranged in a systematic way, then it is keeping in a shelf. It is used for further reference and study. It is usually used for identify unknown plants. We can identify unknown plants using the herbarium sheet. You can see a herbarium specimen. Here the dried plant material means different parts of plants, flowers, leaves, stem are fixed into a paper. Then the description of each and every part is made in the lower part of the paper. It can be stored for many years. Then many people can use for identification of plants. So what is a herbarium? Herbarium is the collection of dried, pressed and preserved plant specimens mounted on sheets. Plant specimens are first dried using a plant press. Then these specimens are mounted on sheets. Then they are arranged according to a system of classification. There are many classification of plants. We are using Bentham-Hooker system of classification for the arrangement of plant specimens in India. These arranged plant specimens are kept in a wooden cupboards. There are separate shelves in the cupboards. We are keeping these herbarium sheets in separate shelves according to the families. First we are arranged the plant specimens into families and they are keeping in different shelves. These herbarium are used for future reference and study. Here you can see a cupboard containing many shelves, and these herbarium sheets are arranged in different shelves. Means you can find different families of plants in different shelves. These plants inside a family, they are arranged according to their alphabetical order, in the order of their genus name. Here you can see a herbarium sheet, dried plant material which is fixed in a sheet using glue. Then in the bottom side, right side you can see a small label. The label contains the information about the plants. Means you can find name of the plants, means a scientific name, then local name, then the place where the plant material is collected, then the date of collection, then the person who collected, the name of the person, then the altitude, then any special features like color of the flower, then inflorescence, etc. also noted on this label. So each herbarium specimen should be properly labeled, and the label must bear the following details such as scientific name of the species, family, the date and place of collection, name of the collection, any special notes, etc. Then other parts, sometimes we get a big inflorescence like palm, then cones of gymnosperms and fruits, dried fruits, etc. stored in special containers. Otherwise we can store in formalin. The herbaria give a picture of a plant world through representative specimens. Then they also form an important taxonomical aid for future monographic and phytographical studies.